Hey, I'm Fish. I'm testing out this video. It should be 4K 60 frames per second, high bit rate for a MacBook Air M1. Because I know I'm going to get a MacBook Pro M4. No, not getting it right away. I'm doing a lot of research. And I spoke to an Apple rep and they gave me the information I needed, the best machine all around. The rep told me the machine that I'm looking at that they chose for me is $3,000. It comes out to $2,700 on a discount. It's got 40 gig of unified memory, which adds up to 64 gig. That's the maximum you're allowed. And a 1 terabyte drive. And the CPU and the core, you can update it if you want, but it's what's good for me. All this is because of Wondershare Filmora 14. Is it 01.6? Yeah, I tried planar tracking. Problem is, for a 15-second video, it takes forever. So I tried the M1. Guess what? It went a tad faster, maybe by a second or two. So I'm thinking, would a Macintosh machine be better with Filmora? Or should I just go learn everything new? Final Cut Pro, MacBook Pro, and all that good stuff. And that's why I'm taking this video and having some fun with Apple. So I got my footage, yes indeed, and yeah, and I'm gonna just figure out, what I'm gonna do down the road if it's worth all that money to buy something new where my old stuff still works. And if it's a problem of just that one little tool that's being offered causing the issue, then I'm pretty good with the program I got. I should go back to the old school of Magix Movie Edit Pro Suite and use that. Or just stick with Cyberlink Powerdirector when I need to mosaic or blur something, go that route. Because in Magix, bam, I could do it like that. I could do my, morphing distortion video, but I don't love the tracking system. Well, if you want to be with new stuff, you gotta pay the price. So I watched the video. Yeah, it's a long video and it made a lot of sense. Do you need to get the better or use the lesser? And the choice is really up to you. So yeah, I'm gonna make my decision one day, maybe in 2025. But until then, I'm Fish. And I have to do all my little customs again, all over, because it's not in the machine and I gotta go find that title, all that good stuff. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. If you're out there just like me trying to find the machine and the program that suits your needs, we'll find it sooner or later. There's never a rush. But when it comes to that time and you need it, make the right choice. I'm Fish. Catch on many other videos to come.